Tennis rackets are a core investment for players at every level, from casual weekend warriors to aspiring intermediates. The right racket can expand your comfort zone, improve control, and boost power without sacrificing arm health. In this comparison, I test a curated set of 5 rackets spanning a budget option, mid-range recreational models.
List number 1. Pro 500 Adult Tennis Rackets. The Pro 500 from Opum is a complete 2-racket set designed for beginners and casual players. It ships pre-strung with a 55-pound polyester tension, has an oversized 105 square inch head for a generous sweet spot, and emphasizes arm-friendly vibration dampening. The aluminum plus composite frame and a 4.5 grip size cater to comfort for a broad user base, while the included bag and 2 balls add value for immediate start. Overall, this set prioritizes accessibility, stability, and a forgiving contact zone, making it an attractive first-step purchase for households or couples starting tennis together. Performance-wise, the large head size and open 16x19 string pattern contribute to easy power and consistent contact, especially on off-center hits. The vibration dampening system helps mitigate shock, which can benefit players with tennis elbow or sensitive joints. The mid-range weight and balance delivers stable volleys and baseline rallies without demanding perfect technique. For beginners, the main trade-offs are reduced feel and control precision compared to smaller head or higher flex frames, but the Pro 500's ready-to-play nature minimizes setup friction.
List number 2. Hyrally 27-inch tennis racket set for adults. The Hyrally set offers a cost-conscious 2-racket package aimed at beginners and recreational players. It includes 2 pre-strung rackets, a bag, 3 balls, and 2 overgrips, emphasizing accessibility and social play. The construction details are similar in spirit to entry-level sets, with aluminum framing intended for durability and a light enough feel for new players. This bundle is particularly appealing for households with multiple new players or a couple who want to practice together without constantly reordering accessories. Performance-wise, the pre-strung setup reduces prep time, but tension consistency and string pattern variations may affect feel and control compared to higher tension or more engineered strings. The lack of explicit vibration control tech in the listing suggests a standard feel with moderate shock transference. The ergonomic grip and balanced weight are suitable for casual rallies, but serious learners may outgrow this kit quickly and seek higher stability, precision, and customization. Strings.
List number 3. Wilson Federer Adult Recreational Tennis Racket. Grip size 3/4/3/8 inches. This Wilson Federer model targets recreational players who want the signature Federer aesthetic with practical upgrades. Materials include airlight alloy for a lightweight yet durable frame and power strings that extend longer main strings to boost power. Stop shock pads mitigate vibration, while the mid-plus head offers a balance of power and control. The racket is described as pre-strung and leverages a slightly longer reach for court coverage, aligning with players who value maneuverability and a touch of enhanced reach. Performance-wise, the combination of aluminum frame with carbon fiber shaft components suggests a responsive feel that favors players seeking easy acceleration and consistent response across contact points. The wider sweet spot and reduced vibration contribute to confident rallies, especially for players still refining stroke mechanics. The model's design cues mirror a Federer-inspired aesthetic, but the practical impact lies in forgiving contact, stable depth, and improved feel on off-center hits, without demanding a high skill gap.
List number 4. 4-pack tennis rackets for adults, recreational, 4 players. The Virkin Month 4-pack targets group play, training, or households needing multiple rackets. The set includes 4 27-inch pre-strung aluminum rackets with 4 balls and 4 overgrips, delivering a complete value-forward option. The framing emphasizes durability and straightforward play, with reinforced joints intended to improve stability during rallies. It's designed for beginners and casual players who want an affordable way to equip a small group. Performance-wise, the 4-racket bundle prioritizes ease of use and consistency across the set, though individual frame tuning, for example weight balance, swing weight, may vary slightly between rackets, which can affect uniformity during group play or practice drills. The inclusion of overgrips enhances grip moisture management for longer sessions. This kit excels in social or family contexts where predictability and price matter more than the finest feel per racket.
List number 5. Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Rackets. The Wilson Tour Slam is a long-standing entry-level recreational model aimed at a broad audience. It features volcanic frame technology for power and stability, power strings with longer mainstrings, stop shock pads for vibration reduction, and V-matrix technology to enlarge the sweet spot. The racket is pre-strung and positioned as a versatile option for players who want a reliable, all-purpose frame that supports steady progression from beginner toward more confident intermediate play. Performance-wise, the Tour Slam focuses on straightforward, forgiving play with a strong emphasis on power off the ground and decent stability on off-center hits. The larger sweet spot and vibration-reducing pads help novices maintain pace without excessive effort. More experienced players may outgrow this model due to limited feel and spin potential, but for daily play, club practice, or supervised lessons, it remains a practical choice. The built-in price-to-performance ratio is appealing, though it sits at a higher price band than Wilson Federer in some markets.